Maas, Keezhapavoor.
Hi, welcome to Maas Keezhapavoor channel. I am Dr. Aruna Shanmugavel. In this video, we are going to discuss few questions from Sagittal section of head and neck. Before starting the session, let us see a quote. I never lose. Either I win or I learn. Shall we move on to the question session? Identify the marked structure. Name the muscles present in it. I'll give you 5 seconds time. Come on, your time starts. Yes, the marked structure is soft palate. The muscles of soft palate are tensor veli palatini, levator veli palatini, musculus uvulae, palatoglossus, palatopharyngeus. Shall we watch the second question? Identify the marked structure. Give its bony components. Try to identify. Yes, it is the nasal septum. The bony components are vomer, perpendicular plate of ethmoid, nasal spine of frontal bone, rostrum of sphenoid, nasal crest of nasal, palatine, and maxillary bones. Let us see the third question. Identify the depressed area. Give its clinical significance. Countdown starts. Come on. Got the answer? Right. It is the fossa of Rosenmuller or pharyngeal recess. During surgeries around nasopharynx, one should be careful about the internal carotid artery which lies immediately deep to pharyngeal recess. The retropharyngeal lymph node, that is, the node of Ravia, which is present in the pharyngeal recess, may be involved in nasopharyngeal cancer. Shall we move on to the next question? Identify the pointed structure. Where does it open? Give its nerve supply. Can you guess the answer? Come on, try to identify. Yes, it is the frontal air sinus. It opens into the infundibulum of the hiatus semilunaris of middle meatus. The supraorbital nerve, a branch of frontal division of ophthalmic nerve, supplies this sinus. This is the last question for this session. Correlate the innervation and development of the pointed organ. Your time starts now. Come on. Shall I give you the answer? The pointed organ is tongue. The anterior two-third of tongue develops from tuberculum impar and lingual swellings from first pharyngeal arch. That's why the first arch nerves, mandibular and chorda tympani, innervate anterior two-third of tongue. The posterior one-third develops from cranial part of hypobranchial eminence from third and fourth arches. That's why the ninth and 10th cranial nerves belonging to third and fourth arches supply the posterior one-third of tongue. All the muscles of tongue except palatoglossus develop from occipital myotomes, and that is the reason hypoglossal nerve supplies the muscles. The palatoglossus muscle is derived from the fourth branchial arch, and that's why vagus nerve innervates palatoglossus. Shall we end up this session with a quote? Efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon select all to get instant notification.